Bye.
So today we're gonna do a quick update of how we're doing. So we're doing okay.
Yeah.
I guess. Oh yeah, I am not sponsored by Netmarble in any way, but everybody quickly go find Marvel Future Fight.
Yeah.
And
I
they're
got
having
my phone.
Black Friday deal.
Yeah.
And there's like crystals. Yeah. My brother has a new Captain America, but my characters are a little bit fully upgraded. My Captain America is level 70, Black Panther level 64, and Thor level 66. So, what I'm saying is, tomorrow I'm gonna get Apple. Don't go over me. So, tomorrow I'm getting an Apple gift card, and I'm gonna buy some crystals.
Yeah.
To get
Buy some Christmas. 5 crystals.
well, 5 crystals is like 1,000.
1,000.
So, I really want to get this.
Nicky,
And Nathan, yes, I know.
we both have phones. That's it. How to stop the video?
And this.
Ha-
So I'm getting these tomorrow. Look at this. Oh yeah, so here it is.
So how to
Black
send the
Friday deal.
video to them? Press the X.
Nathan, why is your phone so loud?
I don't know why my phone's so loud, Mickey. Hey, everybody, we got something to say. See this difference?
Nathan, stop! You can't sing that. It'll get copyrighted. Don't.
I didn't sing it.
So, if you do know Odin, which is obviously Thor's dad, he is actually really hard to get. He's not that hard. I'm really close to getting him.
Yeah, he's close to getting him.
Really close to getting this.
He's close to getting
Yeah.
Thor, the
So,
strongest.
when I do
Thor
get the new
is that.
characters tomorrow, I'm gonna go on the story missions, and I'm quickly gonna finish this chapter. I'm on chapter 12, Asgard War. So that means we are fighting for the Asgard land because a whole bunch of people are trying to take it. That's what I think. Yeah, so soon I'm getting my little brother's Captain America. I'll show you what he has. His Captain America's level 44. My Captain America's level 70, which is max level plus tier 3. Mine isn't tier 3, but I'm still trying to get him. He has him level 44.
Level 44.
So tomorrow I'm gonna put his Captain America on level 60 tier 2. Because right now, I'm unlocking some characters of his. Okay, unlock this person.
Can't see him.
So, you guys don't know who Blue Marble is. He's a very, very strong character, right?
Yeah,
So
he is
tomorrow, I think I would be able to get him if I finish the whole chapter, if I fully complete the story missions at 100%.
And if I finish
Nathan, you won't.
1,000 of it,
No, you don't. There's no such thing as 1,000
then
of it.
I can get the strongest character.
Okay, so here's his. He is on chapter. I'm on chapter 12, and it ends at chapter 13. And they're actually really hard to get. So he completed 29% of it. He's on chapter 4. I completed 90% of it. Sorry, just X Factor. I completed 90% of it.
X Factor.
And if you don't know when the update came on Deadpool, he was a very good character. And he can
Yes,
go
he
on
was my
tier
favorite.
3 and all that. So I'm going to show you my brother's account. Yeah. his account.
That's me.
No, it isn't. That's and he has Black Panther level 70. He has Hulk from Ragnarok level 70.
Hulk is cool.
He has a new Spider-Man level 61. He's still trying to get him on level 62.
Spider-Man.
He's got Winter Soldier, but not the new uniform. That's bad.
Peter Parker.
On level 60. He's got the Red Hulk. Level 60. He's got Odin. And see if you're on level 60 and you finish the entire potion and you can go over. Nathan, can you stop? And you can go over the level 60. Always get Black Hand or Nordstone. Or wait, what's the other thing called? The other thing called Cosmic Cube Virtual. I don't know what that means. So how you get? So as you see I'll show you the blue thing. If you see the blue thing right there, that little blue thing, that is the thing that makes him go over level 60. Even
Over level
you'll get a higher chance of putting him on level 60.
Over level 60.
As you see, I'm still trying to get
Clap your hands, clap
more
your
on level
hands, clap your
68.
hands.
So that's okay. And another way of getting those blue cosmic cube thing,
Clap your hands.
yeah, you go on this when you complete the whole thing. You go on this, you go on challenges, and you press on World Boss, which is right here with Thanos and everything. Yeah, you click on World Boss. Once you click on World Boss, you can Nathan stop. Yeah, you can choose between normal or beginner. You have to complete normal to go on World Boss Ultimate, and I haven't completed World Boss Ultimate. Nathan, what? And another way is you say you really want a character that has a uniform, and you really, 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 really want to try out the uniform, see if it's okay and everything. So, if you have the character, you go press on the character, go onto uniform this, press on the one you want to try, and there's a little thing called preview skill. Can you see that preview skill right there? Right there. So, once you press on it, it shows a little loading screen. And then you can try out the skill. As you see. I'm not sure if I'll get copyright for this, but I'm just saying you should go check this game out. I'm not getting sponsored in any way. I'm just telling you to play the game. I'm not forcing you to. I'm giving you reasons why you should play the game. It's really good. There's like Magneto, Gambit. Listen, I'm talking. Don't talk over me. Yeah, there's Gambit. That's the new update that came out. There's Nightcrawler, Stendhal. There's Emma Frost, the new uniform. X23, Nathan. There's Angel with a new uniform, Magneto, Captain America, and all those things. So, my favourite uniforms I think you should get is the Captain America, the Iron Man, Winter Soldier, and Thor. I'm not sure about, what Black Panther, because yes, he's good, but you can still, it's Black Panther. Yes, he's good, but it's basically the exact same skill that regular. It just has more, scratches on the screen. So, I'll show you what I mean. So, this is the uniform for this. Yes, I know it's strong, but if you think about it, it's the exact same thing as this, without the uniform. See? So, I'm not sure about Black Panther or any of them. So, Spider-Man, yes, he is okay, I guess. But to my perspective of I'll show you Winter Soldier. Why I think he is a strong character. So he is a very strong character because of this one skill. I'll do it one last time.
How many people are watching?
There's a difference. I don't know how many subscribers I have. I think I have 2 or 3. So I'll show you again. And yeah, that's why I think it's a very strong character. What about Psylocke? Yeah, he is very strong because you can just press this one and it'll go on for like ages. And that is a very good for a character because you don't want to just be there and keep pressing things and it runs out of you know what thing and you can't keep pressing on it. So yeah. Oh yeah, previous skill is just basically that. So, what about Quicksilver? I actually think that his uniform is not that different. It's basically exactly the same with just a purple tornado. I don't know if you can see the purple tornadoes, but it's purple. Yeah.
And I win.
Okay. So I know you guys really want to see Thanos and you never played this game.
Yeah.
Yes, Thanos is strong, but he is not the strongest. You expect him to be the strongest character, but no. He actually isn't. There's like, most of these characters can beat Thanos. So I'll just show you his skill. This. So yeah, he isn't as strong. And what about Cable?
I'm showing them.
He is one of the strongest. He can kill Thanos instantly. Nathan, can you please put your thing away? He can kill Thanos instantly. Compared to so if I saw Cable against Thanos in the real, like, you know, Avengers world, I'm not sure because obviously they don't make it as strong. They make the uniform weaker or they make the characters weaker. So yeah, but to this, whenever you're playing World Boss Invasion is when you play with other people, and no matter what, if you pick a character, it'll be level 60. If you're over level 60, like level 62, you'll be level 62.
Yeah,
If
level
you're
62.
You're level 70.
When you're
So,
level 70.
he's very strong because of this.
Level
one thing.
60 is
As you
not
can see, it's
a lot. It's only
40
a little
hits
bit.
right there.
But
And,
level
this.
40 is a lot. He is actually.
So, I'm sorry if this gets copyrighted. I just wanted to give you a quick update on how this game is. I haven't played this game, but I want to work for Marvel, but I'm obviously too young. But I can really learn. Nathan, can you please put it away?
Wait, I'm showing them.
Okay, so, how about War Machine? War Machine is strong. Yeah, I'm going to have to do one last character to be preview. Okay, so War Machine is very strong from this one skill. There. With his uniform. You need the 1,700 uniform and on the Black Friday sale. Normally the sale is 1,250, but this time Nathan, can you stop putting that there? Yes, Nathan. Yes, that. But since it's Black Friday, it's only 800 crystals and something. So the last one I'm gonna do is Doctor Strange. I'm just gonna have to show you one skill. So here it is. Okay, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button. We'll see you all next time. Bye.